excited. It's gonna be the most boring unboxing ever. Or I'm gonna stab myself and it's gonna be really exciting because there's gonna be blood everywhere. Vacuum seal tail. Breathe. Look at that tail. That's a nice tail. I love it. I gotta do that. It's so pretty. And this is, oh my gosh, extra fur. So much. Extra fur. And more extra fur. Take the whole baby. Oh my gosh. He's so beautiful. I can't. It's not crying when I was stitches. Oh, his foot is so beautiful too. He's so beautiful. Breathe, baby. Baby boy. Oh my god, he's so beautiful. Wow, oh, it's so pretty. Look at them pants. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at that foot. It's so pretty. They even shaved right here so the marking looks like more crisp. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Holy poop. He's so fluffy. He's so big. Gosh, his hand falls inside, I bet. Yeah, that's what I do when I sew suits. Oh my goodness. Oh. They're so cute. It's just so pretty. There's something inside this one. I felt it heavy. Oh, it's his eyelids. Eyelids. Oh, and the tongue. That's what it was. There's a short and a long tongue. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow. I hadn't seen a really good back view yet. That's really pretty. Ugh. It's pretty heavy. But it's because he's so big. God, that is just gorgeous. Look at his big old teethers. Can I open his mouth? Look at them teethers. Can you see them? Look at them teethers. His nose. Everything's just perfect. I am so glad I did this with Dwight. I'm glad I waited it out. I'm glad I got to do it. Because if I didn't, I wouldn't have been able to do it again. Where did the tuck? I put a tiny there. The long one. Gotcha. I don't have to fluff his cheeks either. It's just there. OMG. He's so pretty. I love him. I'm so happy. Rar. Put on. The video I'm taking on here is terrible because I keep ignoring it.
Okay. Now these.
Hmm?
Oop, I dropped an eye.
What am I now? Sassy? Hello. With my little tongue sticking out.
So full sass.
Okay. Yay!